In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Deliveroo $10 off first order code for 2025. It's easier than you might think, and we'll walk through every step together. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by visiting the Deliveroo website. Open up your preferred internet browser and type in deliveroo.co.uk. Once you're on the site, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already accustomed to it. Now look for the option to sign up or log in. This is usually found at the top right corner of the website. Click on it, and if you're new to Deliveroo, you'll need to create an account. But if you've used Deliveroo before, just enter your login details here. Remember, entering the correct information is crucial for a smooth login experience. After you're logged in, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, you'll need to search for the special £10 off code. Open a new tab in your browser and head to a search engine like Google. In the search bar, type Deliveroo £10 off first order code. This will bring up a list of relevant results that can help you find this exclusive deal. Once the search results are displayed, look for a website called Hot UK Deals. This site is a great resource for finding promo codes and discounts across a wide range of services, including Deliveroo. Click on the Hot UK Deals link to see what offers they have available. Upon entering the site, seek out the option that says See Code. Clicking on this will reveal the discount code that you're looking for. Be aware that sometimes these codes have expiration dates, so make sure it's still valid for use. After you found a code that works, click on the Copy Code button. This will save the code to your clipboard, making it easy for you to paste it into the relevant section during checkout on Deliveroo. You won't want to miss this part because entering the code incorrectly could mean missing out on the discount. The final step is to click on Go to Shop, which will direct you back to Deliveroo's online store. From here, you can proceed with browsing the menu and adding your desired items to the cart. Once you've selected everything you want, navigate to the checkout page. Here, you'll find a field where you can paste the discount code that you copied earlier. Do so and apply the code to see the deduction reflected in your total. And there you have it. You've successfully applied a $10 discount to your first order from Deliveroo. Make sure to double check your order summary before finalizing the payment. With these steps, you're now well equipped to make the most of your Deliveroo experience and save a bit on that first order. Thanks for watching and enjoy your food.